Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a little code thing that unlocks like a cosmetic or whatever, just like I have in my game right here, as you can see. So you're going to go into the Google Drive link in your description and you're going to import the pin unlocker Unity package. I already have it imported, so it says nothing to import. But in here, you'll see the in your scripts folder, you'll see cosmetic code you'll see the pin unlocker folder, and you'll see cosmetic code manager, prefab, enter pin script, number pad script, and pin manager script. Now all the scripts are already on this, so you're just gonna drag it in, right click, prefab, unpack, and you're going to drag it on a wall or something, whatever. Like this, and in this pin manager script here you'll see correct code, and you'll just type in whatever code you want. Make sure it's only numbers. If you want to add letters, you can. It's easy. If I want to add A or something, I could just do this. A, and then change the text to A. So if you want to add letters, you can, but right now this only has numbers. So just put in your correct code. I'm gonna say 823.104, and then you will make the object you want to unlock. For me, I have it as a little some buttons that activate a gem cosmetic, but I'll just use a cube as an example. Actually, I want to make this simple so it's easy to type in. So 000. Just as an example, I'll put a cube, but you can really put anything as long as it's under one parent. So this cube here will be the thing I unlock. You will deactivate it, and this does unlock it permanently. So to unlock, you will set to the little cube that you made. I don't know why I have to scroll down all this much. I think my Unity glitched or something. Then to test it out, you can start the game. You can just drag the portal player over here, and I set this code just as an example to 000, so I'll type that in. Left hand controller. Enter, and look, it appeared. Now this does permanently unlock it, so if I just exit this and re-enter, it's still there, and it wasn't beforehand. So yeah, it's incredibly simple. I'm gonna delete it now. I don't need it anymore. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and please like the video and subscribe. It helps a lot.